Hey, we got done early, so hopefully you can kind of make your plan based on the numbers you see. This is a patron video for all my patrons. Sneak peek at the fire sale that's going to happen tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time. So we've got tons of fun things right at the top end of the show, so don't be late. We've got a bunch of toys, so $5, $10, $5. You guys were looking for these Game of Thrones socks, and they're going to be for sale. We got 3 of them. Harry Potter. Look at this. I just think that is adorable. John Deere, 12 plus months. So if you've got a little toddler, this is a perfect toy. This is item number 6. And then we've got, of course, $15 for that. And then this here is a cute pair of summertime sandals, size 9. So that's really cute. Then we've got some clothing articles here. We've got various different sizes all the way up to 4X. So, oh, look at this. This is cool. $15. Look at that feather knife. Isn't that sweet? $15 for that. So we have 2 of those.
Right for Father's Day.
Father's Day gifts. Father's Day. Ooh, I love this next one. Oh, wait, actually, we're going to go here. So this is clothes. I'll show you that in a minute. It's super awesome. Then some jeans. These are size 12s. Then some toys. This is, yeah, so the jeans are...
They're on the tag.
They're on the tag. Hidden by the number. $5 for those. All right, awesome. And then these are slime. $5 there. Then we've got, these are really awesome. Do you guys love leggings? Leggings are for anyone. Look at this. You get 6 total leggings for $25, and these are size...
Extra large.
Extra large. And then this has multiple leggings in it. These are size mediums. This has multiple leggings in it. These are small mediums, and they're various different prices. Here is a pair of flippers bought in Hawaii, only used once in Hawaii, and they're $15. So those are awesome. Pair of extra, it's an extra large shirt. I think it's a New Day. Yep. And then here is my thing I'm really excited about. I can't even contain my excitement. It comes with a stand, so you can display it. Look at this. Is that not the coolest thing ever? It's like a Viking helmet.
You need to put it on.
Oh, I don't know if I can. It's got the strap and stuff. So anyway, this Viking, I don't want to ruin it. So this cool Viking helmet is very heavy duty. It is metal. So let me put it back in the box so I don't ruin it before tomorrow. It comes with its own stand. And it is number 19, $60. That's all. So that's really good. Then we got some more doll clothes, of course, $5 a piece. Then this is a really cool toddler toy. So we've got a couple of cool, unique toddler toys. Paw Patrol, $20 for that. And then really good deal on these. These are sets of underwear, and just about every size we have. So I think these are 4s, 5s, 6, 8s, 9s, and 10s. And so groupings of those. And there are some that have 21 pairs of underwear, and they're brand new, and some have 15 pairs of underwear, and I will tell you that during the show. And then we've got this Bratz doll for number 28. How much is $10 is that one? Then we got another doll set. We haven't seen these doll clothes, so that's a new one, number 29. Then we're going to go right here. Did you like that last helmet? Okay, maybe you're not a Viking fan. Maybe you're a little bit more, I want to go King Arthur-like. Okay, then here you go. This one is actually handcrafted, so it has the oil on it. So it's like legitimate armor. This one I might actually put on. Look at that. It's a Crusader's helmet. So it is hand-forged and oiled. So it's a legitimate... And it's got foam padding on the inside so you can actually wear it. But look at that.
Be great for Father's Day.
Perfect Father's Day gift. So you guys get a sneak peek at the really fun stuff I got for Father's Day. Then, of course, you guys love these.
How much for the helmet?
Oh, $60 for that one, too. So if you're not a Viking fan, then you can do the King Arthur style. You guys love these sandals. I actually... just was cleaning out my shop, found one more pair. So these are $5. And then these cute shoes are size 6.5. So for those little people feet, they're cute little blue ones, blue flats. So those are perfect to go with anything. And then we've got these sets of socks. These are awesome. So these are like champion, all of these are champion socks. So you've got some black ones, you've got some white ones, but it's massive amounts. So these are size 8 to 12. There's 6 times 4, 24 pair. So we got a couple sets of those. These have Game of Thrones socks in them and a bunch of other various ones. So just fun socks. $15 for all of these. And then kind of similar prices on down. These are those liners, or I call them kind of no-show dress socks for the ladies. And we have sizes 4 to 10. And then, are these a different size? Yeah, 5 to 9. So those are there. And then we have this cool, then we've got some more champion socks right here. You get the whole bag for $20, which is really, really good because one of those packs usually costs around $15. Then we've got Muppets. Oh, little Muppet babies. I think
that's our last one.
Yeah, our last one. We don't have any more of these. Let me see. What was this? $20. That's lot number 39. And then this whole entire box of pool toys for $20. So it's got tons of stuff in there. Stuff down buried in the bottom, little squirters and little foam ball and all that fun stuff for the summertime. Then we've got a size 8 regular pair of jeans for $15, and then this is a size extra large kind of robe for $25. It's really, really cute. Then we've got an XXL, I think, top or dress, $10. This is a Stranger Things size medium shirt for $5. Then we got, these are 3X yellow tops for, how much are they? $5. All right. And then we've got, you guys love these box of candles. Do you remember these candles? So you get all 4 candles, and they're salted citrus Bellini. Oh my word, they smell so good. Anyway, you get the entire box for $20. So you get all 4 of them for $20, and we have 4 of them available. So all these are candles. And then we've got, look at this. Need yourself a GoPro. It does come with the camera. And so I should probably.
It came in a bulk box.
It did come in a bulk box.
Brand new.
So
it's not a GoPro.
But it's like a generic GoPro. So
right.
Look, see. So it comes with a watch band to start and stop it, and then it comes with a little case and everything. So 4K Sport Pro camera. So this is going to be, I can't remember what I put on it. $30. Yeah, $30 on that. And then this is, if you wear size 10, you're going to love this. This is an entire lot of 4 pairs of pants, and they're all different. Gray, blue jeans, you got some black suede, and kind of some burgundy corduroy suede. And so that's going to be $45 for all of that. And then you've got this, what size is this top? A size large top dress. And then you get this huge boys kind of toy box. Instead of a mystery box, we just decided to show you what was in it. And so that's $20 for you. And then we've got some shapers. You guys were asking to put some of these shapers on here. So we've got various sizes. These are $10 and $10, and the tan ones are $20. And these are extra large and large. And then this one is extra large and XXL for the tan ones. Then we've got some baseball bats for the summertime for the kids. So those are $20 for the Easton bats. And then we're going to come back down here. Oh, this is one that we tried to sell on another fire sale, but I think the price was too high. So we lowered the price to $30, and it's an entire box of this KidCraft block set, building set. So we're going to sell that for $30, and that is, if you want it, number 56. Then we have this 4XL leather jacket, Ava and Viv for $25. It's really nice. Then this is a burgundy hoodie medium for $10. Then we have a Knox Rose, $15 for this size. What size is this? Medium. And then we have another article of clothing here with a really floor. Oh, this is a swim cover-up, $10. So it's kind of a one size fits all. Then, of course, we've got a girls mystery box for $5 off. So that'll only be $20 for that. And we got some more articles of clothing here. We've got a size 18 pair of dark wash blue jeans. Those are $10. And then we got PJs that are XXL. And then we've got these gray 18W gray jeans. Really, really nice, brand new, universal thread, $10 a piece. And then, of course, we already went over the baseball bats. But here, ready? Father's Day gift. All right, so this is only what do we have on this?
That's 60.
60 bucks. It's a Roman gladius, and this one is also hand forged. So it's handmade and hand forged. It's got the oil on it just like the original one. Comes with its own sheath to go with it, and you can actually wear the sheath because of the rings on it. So that's really cool. Then we've got a cardigan here that is size large, and these run a little bit bigger. So if you're an extra large or a 2X, you probably could fit this because I tried on a size small and it fit me fine, and I normally wear a large. So these run a little bit large, baggy like. This is a 18 short, 2 pairs of these, khaki universal thread skinny jeans, and they are 10 bucks a piece. And then we've got this X-Shot Nerf set. So part of the reason I never sent this into Amazon, because I could have, was it's just missing one of these miniguns. And so we lowered the price on it, and we're going to charge 15 bucks on this whole thing. Then, okay, we've showed you a bunch of armor that'd be perfect for Father's Day, but what if you want to play swords? You don't want to use that one. You would totally hurt yourself. So look at this. Let's do some King Arthur, right? This is lot number 69, 15 bucks for one of these cool wooden swords, and it is pretty heavy duty. You could take this, and we actually have 6 of them. So you could have a legitimate sword fight for Father's Day. Wouldn't that not be awesome? All right. Don't hurt your dad, though, okay? Then we've got a 2X 22W skirt. We've got this 4X jumper for $15. Kind of the pants style, a 1X shirt for $10. Then we have another girl toy box, which is awesome. It's got piles of stuff. Look at it. It's got one of these things. I just love playing with these little sequence things. Piles of stuff in there. And then this really, really cute size medium dress. It's got like a wraparound, this little cute little necktie. Number 74, and I think this was 15. Yeah, 15 bucks. Then we're going to wander back on down here. You guys love the cheap luggage I've been selling, so here's another carry-on size, hard size case. Looks like this. I don't know if I can get it out a little. So it's got the hard size. Yep. Black. It does actually have a USB plug-in on the exterior. So it's got, you can plug in a battery on the inside and then charge your phone with your suitcase. So that's awesome. So 20 bucks on that. Then we've got more of those khaki pants, but these are 18 regular. These ones were 18 short, and we've got 2 more pairs of 18 regular. So if you're size 18 regular, you can get those for 10 bucks. And then we'll move on down the line, and we've got a pair exactly like those other ones, but these are 16 short mid-rise skinny jeans. Then this one is a jumper just like that other one, but this one is a 3X for $15. Then we have a 2X striped shirt for 10 bucks. And then another Father's Day gift. This one is awesome. This is 30 bucks for a tomahawk. Isn't that gorgeous?
That's so cool.
It's so sweet looking. I just love it. It's got a leather strap at the bottom, and this is legitimately like really heavy duty. So like you could probably hurt yourself. So display only, don't go hacking at something. All right. So a tomahawk for 30 bucks. So those are some fun, interesting Father's Day gifts that we thought would be really great to add to our fire sale. So hopefully we see you tomorrow at noon. For our fire sale. It is Central Standard Time. If you cannot find the link, I always link the fire sale video on my Hooked on Pickin, no G on the N, Facebook page. And also, if you're a patron, you'll be looking at this video. I'll link it there as well. So hopefully it's been fun, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.